Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how we can add an underline, a waved underline to your texts and text boxes in a Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. Head over to the site project here in the Webflow web designer, navigate to the given page. In the top left you would like to edit. After that, what you want to do is insert a text box. For example, I have done it already, but if you don't know how to do this, you can do this through that plus button in the top left and by navigating to typography and by choosing one of these text block options. So what you want to do next is double click into text. So let us go with that heading here, double click into it. And what you want to do after that is navigate to the text customization here. So you may, for instance, click into style here and expand the typography tab. And from there, navigate to the decorations and here choose underline. And that is going to add a straight solid underline like this. However, guys, if you'd like to convert it into a waved underline or customize its appearance in general, you may click into these three dots here to access the decoration settings. From there, choose your line type, underline, strike through, overline, or any of these combinations. So you can combine these, for instance, if you like to have both underline and overline. I will leave it at underline. And then here under style, choose wavy. And that's it. You can customize it here, for example, by adjusting the thickness. For instance, I will leave it at auto, but you can also choose the color here. As you can see now, it looks like underlining, for example, a spelling error in an exam or a text. And you can adjust the transparency of the color here, enter the hex color code as well. And that's it. Here you may adjust the offset and the position. So if I switch from auto to under, the position will be slightly changed. And you can do the same for the offset here. And that's how it works, guys. So that's how you apply a waved underline to texts in the Webflow website builder. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.